Do you know what? Do you know why I look very funny, guys? Because I'm going sporting today at the park.
Hi guys, good morning. Happy. What day is it?
What's the day? How we sing? Sunday.
It is Sunday and it's now 10:50 in the morning.
In the club.
Dito kami ngayon sa cafe. We are ordering, well, Daddy Mike is ordering something to drink. So, this morning, pupunta kami ng park. Mag-exercise kami doon. Mag-workout daw kami doon. Doon sa park na merong,
And guys.
You wanna go, Daddy? Go. So, Daddy's inside. Can you open the door? Okay. Thank you, Ate. Daddy! There you go. Yeah, good boy.
Let's go inside with me.
Go. Look. Dad is ordering ice chocolate. Madilim ba?
I come inside.
There. What is that?
They got some sketches.
Mainit ang panahon eh. Tingnan nyo. Different from yesterday. Kahapon makulimlim. Ngayon, tingnan nyo. The sky is so blue. Oh, thank you, Ate.
Sleeves like finished.
Lynn, slow down, anak. The road is under construction. Yum?
Stay in house as had to be.
Winnie. Ganyan talaga yan siya kapag umiinom dahil inuubos. Which one? I can't remember. Yummy! Ganyan talaga yung pinakamabilis guys. Tingnan nyo.
Nah, this one, she eats it.
Yummy!
Yeah.
Yum yum!
Swap.
Thank you, Daddy. Hey, thank you, Daddy. Wow!
Yeah, you can get it now.
Yung akin ang dami pa oh. Let's go, anak. Anak, you dropped the bands. Towers, oh, man siyang manghod.
Is the top of there?
Huh?
We'll turn right here. Daddy Mike, nagdala pa talaga ng bag. Then yung water, food. Diyan lang naman kami sa medyo malayo-layo din. Lakarin. Ako lang naman yata yung mag-workout na uminom ng ice chocolate before. Char-char lang naman na workout guys. So just lang, parang spend time with the family ba? Kay halang mata. Ayan. Para yung kids ma-enjoy din sa park. Mamma Mia. Daddy, where are you going? Which park are you going? The only time you're right with your direction, Bob, is me.
When I was looking for your heart.
Yes, you found your way to me. Well done to that.
Pretty good at finding my way downstairs too. Come on. Down south.
Daddy Mike guys, hindi yan siya sa mga direction. But he found me, so kudos to your daddy. Kasi pupunta siya sa doon guys. Oh my. First siya sana ng road.
Found Tasmania too.
Now let's down. There's bees over there.
Yeah.
It's something you don't like.
B.
Why?
Dito na kami. Ayan. So, ayan yung ground. Diyan sila naglalaro ng football. Wala today. I'm not sure why. Guitars is doing her workout there now. Daddy, you should do it on the concrete. Because the ball won't bounce there.
She's not hitting this. She's not exactly playing.
See?
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah. Right.
Come on lang. Throw it to Daddy.
Toss leaning. Right. Bow. Bow.
Ay, linig ka ni mo.
Like that. Look. Look. Pass. Look at Daddy. Just watch. Watch, ready? Watch me. You're not watching. Yes.
Like this?
That's your belly on the
There you go. Oh, no. Go. Oh, again. You go. 1, 2, 3. Well done.
Ready?
1. Okay, 1, 2, go.
Move your legs.
Move your legs.
Pass.
Okay, 1, 2, go. 1, 2. 1, 3, go. 1.
Ow!
Okay, 1, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.
I'll tell you the best way. Just keep jumping up and down, same time.
1, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.
Nelly. You ready? Jump.
Our goal will be to get 5, okay?
Okay.
3, go. 1, 2.
There you go.
Lang, away sa ceiling mo.
No, Celine.
Go, mama.
No, she's not going to.
Okay, Celine will jump. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Good girl, Celine. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ready? One up.
Hold on.
1, 2, 3, go. Don't jump yet, nak. Wait
Okay.
for the... Rumba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Focus on the rope. On your timing, okay?
Can I do this? So I can...
Go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, that's it.
A few moments later.
Milkshake. Skirts.
I'm not wearing a skirt, I'm wearing a skirt.
I mean,
Time check, guys. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. And nakapag-bihis na tayo. So, hindi na kami nakapag-vlog kanina after the park. Pag uwi namin dito, nakatulog si baby Celine. And, nananak kasi you'll be like, Mama, oh, see? I got wound. Sobrang dry ng lips. We have to drink more water now. Yeah, Paris is the same as well. It's the changing of weather as well. Kasi maulan, tapos sobrang init na naman. Ayan, sinisip ko na nga to. Say hi sa tita dito. Hi, guys.
can I have a tissue on this?
Talk to tita dito. I'll find a tissue. Tell them where we're going.
We're going to the hospital. And what we're gonna do there is see my cousin, Nine Christine, because his wife got sick.
Her husband.
I mean, her husband got sick.
Yeah, not really sick. He just had an operation, guys. Kaya pupunta kami doon, magbisita kami. Yeah, tinext ko nga si Tita Christine just to make sure na nandun na siya. Sabi niya nandun na siya. So, yeah, first time namin magbisita sa kanyang husband doon sa ospital. Na I think tinignan ko yung kanina, yung address, mga half an hour drive daw. So, mga kami makakarating doon, 3:30. And, tingnan nyo, bit-bit ko na to. Naipakita ko siya last live eh. Yung mga plastic bags, tingnan nyo. Plastic bags, plastic bottle ba? Tingnan nyo kung gaano nakadami. Oh, see? Kasi yung iniinom talaga na namin na tubig dito is yung bottled water. And, sobrang dami. Every time na bumibili kami, 24 bottles. Kaya, ito. So, yung return na daw, yung parang kung saan makukuha yung refund nito, meron daw doon malapit sa pupuntahan namin. So, sabi ko, dalhin ko na lang kasi medyo marami na rin siya dito ba. Kalat na rin dito sa bahay. So, ayan. Sabi ko kay Paris, whatever we get from this, I'll give it to her. Yeah. Wow, Paris will be very rich.
Hey!
Hey! Very, very rich. Nasa baba na pala. Si Daddy Mike tsaka si baby Celine. Sinabang sa baba. So, last week din pala, birthday ng tita ko. Pero yun na nga kasi yung husband niya nasa hospital. So, hindi nakapag-celebrate. Originally, yung plan was yung kainan sa bahay, ganun. But hindi nangyari kasi nga ito nangyari. So, hindi kami nagkita-kita nung birthday niya. And since we're going naman to visit Tito Frank, sabi ko, dalhin ko na lang yung ibibigay ko sa
Sounds
kanya.
like Frankenstein.
So, I've got this, black tote na bag for her. Ayan. Oh, diba? And then, kasi alam kong gamit na gamit niya yung bag. I've got this for her as well. Actually, Ate Paris really likes the box and what's inside as well. So, accessory lang naman siya. Ayan. Sobrang cute. Sabi Ate Paris, I really like it. You like it, na? Give it to Nana Christine. Ling Ling! Hi! We're going in the car. You know where it is? Hey George, it's too bright. It's too bright. Alam na niya. Oh. Hey Daddy. Oh, is that your new shirt?
It's one of you.
Oh, I can't see you. Ha? Meron pa pala dito guys. Oh. Kapag nasa labas, may inom. Nak, gusto have to here lang oh. Water bottle.
Can I see?
Thank you.
Can I see?
Look. See? No more. Okay. Bye. You're saying bye? The parents saying hi, you're saying bye. So according to Google Maps, it's 27 minutes from here. So ETA is 3:18 in the afternoon. Do you want more lang?
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
Kakarating lang namin guys. Diyan kami nag-park. Nakatulog ang ating Ate Paris. Hi, Te. Did you sleep? Did you have a good sleep in the car? Yes. And baby Celine is there. You know what guys? Sobrang naughty ng ating baby Celine. At talaga namang inopen niya ang door sa likuran. Okay, we'll look for the lift, level 4. I don't like hospitals, guys.
So you go to the toilet first.
Huh?
You go to the toilet there.
Down.
Oh.
Okay. Buti naman nagpababa. Ayaw niyang magpababa ba yung tata niya. Where you going, ate?
Daddy!
Toilet? Okay, go with daddy. Ah, stay here, anak. Ito ang aking mga anak. Uy, hindi man maano pag nakaw ang ilang tatay. Uy. They're going to the toilet. Come.
No!
Okay. Look. Malapit.
Mama?
Yes.
I want help.
Oh, careful, mapiangan. Tingnan niyo. Ang pilit na inaabot. We're not going up yet, Nak. It might open. Kanina nag-open, guys, at ito tumakbo. We can't go up yet. We're waiting for Daddy. We're waiting for Daddy.
Papa!
We'll wait for Daddy.
Daddy!
You still want to go toilet? Okay, let's go toilet. Go. Go. Follow out the Paris. Follow out the Paris. Go. Out the Paris. Go. Come on.
No!
Come on. Let's go. No. Come on. Come, Ate. This way. Come on. This way. Going up. We're here, level 4. I'll look for room 9 lang. Look for room 9. Come here. Oh, I really like this now.
Nanay have because
Wow!
shopping anywhere.
Wow, lucky girls! You say thank you, Nanay? Say thank you!
Oh, that's actually
Thank
where
you,
it
Nanay.
works. The what
Oh,
is
so
called?
cute.
Yeah, do you collect of this one? Ah. Looking that Parisian. I don't have like with that.
Wow, yeah.
Hips of that there.
Lini! Ah! Gusto din Lini ang chocolate.
Nini.
Ang chocolate na!
Yeah. Oh, I don't know where more already. Or what?
Put it on.
Oh, nice. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Daddy. Put it on. Ayush!
Better we online because it's only by in the public
Put it on.
You eat too? Oh my god, 6
Too many people?
in one day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
I'm bringing this.
It's now 6 o'clock. And nandito kami ngayon sa labas ng Red Rooster. Actually, Daddy Mike and Celine ay nasa loob na ngayon. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, dito na lang daw kami kakain. We'll have dinner. Have chicken. What's wrong, anak? Come na na.
Where's the other side?
Oh, you know what, guys? It's getting cold now sa Brisbane kasi magwi-winter na siya ba. So, tingnan nyo, I'm having goosebumps na. Buti na lang naka long sleeve tong batang ere. Hey!
And guys, you know what? It's always Easter. I like it's Easter.
I know. Si Red Rooster, ang laki naman ang kanilang
Red
side.
Rooster!
Yes! Come on. Wait dyan, sa marami bang tao. Ling-ling!
That's good diet.
Ha?
That's a good diet.
Two cheesy nuggets, 12 cheesy nuggets, and your choice. You reckon?
It's better than there.
Are you still there? Yes.
I don't like that burger, Daddy. Nom nom.
Like this?
Open.
Yeah?
Cheese nuggets.